Hey everybody, see that crooked tree right there? It's a nice Douglas Fir. It's pretty twisted, but we're going to try. We're not going to try, we're going to do it. We're going to put that crooked tree right through this gap. Right through that gap right there. Right down through there. Right through here. See this? This dead little stub right here? We're gonna put it real super close to that is where it's gonna end up. And today we're up in one of my lower wood holes. Was just out on an adventure today, see how far up the mountain I could make it, and this is where it led me. So we'll get with it here. I'll get the rest of my stuff together, and yeah, we're gonna use this 592, the new Husky with a 28-inch bar, full house. We're gonna dump this tree with it. Bang! Yeah! Oh yeah! Right where we wanted it. Right where we wanted it. Nice running saw. Yeah. Hopefully you can see it hit that stub. Oh yeah. Yeah, we got another one right there for another day. If you can see that. That's a dandy there too. Hi everyone, hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be like a second part to this of bucking up the rest of the log and getting it split up, some of it split, and loaded up and hauled out. And on the end of that video will be a little bit of bonus footage. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I've been trying to do some different angles with the GoPro and with the phone camera and all that. So if it goes back and forth or whatever too much, you know, I don't know. It's kind of fun to, you know, and then slow it down and then see it from a different angle, you know, like when I did the face cut, you know, with the GoPro angle and then with the camera angle, just kind of shows what goes on, you know, and look it up and whatever. Because with the GoPro, with the setting that I had it on the phone, when I looked up, it just looked like I was looking 10 feet up the tree, but I'm really looking up to the top. But in order to get the angle, to have the saw and the cut and everything in the frame, that's how the camera gets set up and whatever. But I'm working on that too, and as you see the videos go along, especially with the 592 videos, because yeah, there's more coming. Yeah, the angle, the settings on the GoPro change, and hopefully I'm getting better with it. I'm really trying to get better with it. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I hope everybody's having a great day and a great start to the week. We love you all. Take care. Be safe. Thanks, Tom Joyner. The Notch Knocker is just that. A notch knocker. Wedge banger. Splitter all arounder. I love this all arounder thing. If you're thinking about making an axe out there, sorry, I'm rambling here, but if you're thinking about making an axe, make something that's fairly universal. And these axes, the Casterman Classic that I have, is very universal. And the axe that Tom Joyner made for me, that you saw me knock the notch out with, that's an all-arounder. It splits. You'll see it in the next video. Love you all. Take care. Be safe. TazMan is rolling.